Welcome back. In this lecture, I will discuss how you can create the Azure Databricks services and the workspace. So basically, services and workspace where you will work on the Azure platform. So in this lecture, I will discuss. I will provide you real time how you can create the Databricks services and the workspace. So workspace is basically the place where we can work developer is working. Okay, so you can navigate to this Microsoft portal.azure.com, and you can click on the create a resources, or you can also search the resources on the more option. You can find the Databricks, and we have multiple way to find the Databricks. You can also go to search here. You can type the Databricks. Okay, so you have Azure Databricks will become here. Okay, so now you can click on the Azure Databricks, and we don't have any Azure Databricks created. So now you can create this Azure Databricks, and once you hit the button, the same thing. What subscription you need to be select? So I have only one subscription, and which resource group you can choose the any existing resource group, and you can also give create the new resource group, and what the workspace name will be give. Okay, so you can type the Databricks hyphen STIT. Okay, so basically STIT you can give the some unique name, and the region East US. So the same region what we have to follow, that creating the all this container, the storage account, we will keep on the same region. So we select in the East US, and here we have the pricing tier. So when you work on the, we have the standard, we have premium, we have the trial. So this is a role based. So we will also discuss in the tutorial how you can create the Unity catalog, all these things practically. So this required the premium, and if you can also select this standard as well. We have the some limitation future. Some future will be not available in a standard trial also. So we'll go with the premium here, and you can just hit the review and create. Okay, so you can also enter the name manage resource group. So that is not the mandatory here. Now we'll keep it blank. Now we'll see that they will basically in the validation will be completed. So once the validation is completed, you can hit the create button, and this will be take couple of the minute to complete the data bricks. Okay, so creation. Okay, so within minute it will be completed. So you can see deployment is in progress, and this workspace is basically created. So every developer they have the own workspace, and whatever the task will be there, so that task will be available in the particular workspace in the Azure. So when you have the Azure space, you can keep all this notepad or and each and everything in on a workspace. Okay, so this will be also deduct the couple of the credit whatever you have in the free trial, because this is the major services, and you can see this is a deployment in progress. Okay, so meanwhile you can also see the what is the progress will be there. Okay, so I hope you can just wait couple of the minute. Okay, and this once the deployment will be completed. So when the deployment is completed, you have this valid URL. So when you work in the Databricks, you can log into the same portal. So based on that credential, you can access all these things. Okay, so uh, so in last tutorial, I already had a discussion about the um, different container. Okay, so in future also we'll discuss like how you can create the Unity catalog, all these things. Okay, so I'm just waiting to complete the deployment process. Now you can see this deployment is completed, and you can go to the resource here. So once you can click on the Databricks HTID, so you will get this URL. Okay, so you can keep this URL for the access for the Databricks. So you can just copy this URL, and you can keep into the any notepad file. Okay, so uh, always, and you can also put onto the any favorite as well. Okay, so again and again, you no need to be go to the database services. So just you can click on this URL. So this URL is the basically the space. So this will be work with the whatever the Azure account you using in the Azure portal logged in. So continue with the same Microsoft intra ID, and this is the Databricks platform where we have now continuous learning, like how you can process. So to access page workspace with contact us. So we need to be see why we don't have this a space is there. So I think they will take some. So you need to be figure out on this, and we'll see what is the basically issue. Now once you created the Databricks, so what you need to do, just you can hit the launch workspace. So the workspace is created, and they will just logged into the same the logged in whatever we have in the Azure. So they will not ask you again the all these things. So you can copy all this URL for the future, and you can save into this notepad, and you can also basically mark as a bookmark this URL. Okay, where you want to Databricks logged in something. So no need to go again Databricks. You can also always go to this Databricks spaces created. So you can go to the services home page. So whatever the services is created, so this is the Azure Databricks services, and always you can go these services, and you can launch this platform. Okay, so I hope you have the understand how you can create all these services and the workspaces. And this is the my workspace where we can work in the Databricks platform for the data engineering team. Okay, so we can do all the programming in this platform only. So I hope we have the better understanding. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.